Hi everyone, my name is Sylvic and you're welcome to Site System, where you can learn new strategy to grow your business and how to apply those strategy to make more money online. In case you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to verify your email list. First, you need to install Sky Email Verifier. Okay, this is a file containing file email verifier, so I will have to install this Sky Email Verifier. Double click on it, click next. Meanwhile, before you install this Sky Email Verifier, you need to turn off your internet, okay, because it's an offline installation software. So I'll turn off the internet, then go to my Windows Defender. I'll also turn off my Windows Firefox. Okay, it's already turned off, so I'll just go ahead and continue. Click on agree, install. Okay, once I finish installing, I have to uncheck this very box here, then click finish. Open this copy and paste file, copy the file inside, copy and paste, then you just right click on it, then scroll down to click on copy. Now we'll have to go to the desktop. Okay, navigate where you can find this email Sky Email Verifier. Right click on it, go to open file location, click on open file location. Once you are here, you paste the file you copy. Okay, replace it. You are all done. So once you open the Sky Email Verifier, find out I will have a registered version of this software. Next, you want to import the email you want to verify. Okay, email test. This is just for the purpose of this video. You want to click on open. Okay, here you need to turn on your internet, because without the internet this will not properly work. So you go back to your internet connection again, then you have to turn it on, connect. Okay, this software does not actually have a limit of what it can verify. You can actually verify as many email you import to it, so it does not have limit. You can use it to verify as many email that you want, but just for the purpose of this video, what we are verifying, you can see a total of 261 emails, and the verified ones are 120 right about now, and it's still verifying. You can see the invalid emails as 17 right about now. So that is how you actually use this verifier to check and remove bad emails in your list. All right, we're all done. So the emails that were verified, out of the 261 emails we have, we have 243 valid and 18 invalid emails. So next, you want to export your emails to exclude the invalid emails. So once you click on the export email to test, this email you are exporting will automatically exclude the invalid emails in your email list. So you can change the name to verified email list. Depends on what name you want to give your list. So you just click on save here. Okay, that is if you want to view it. So this is the list you have just verified. In case you don't know how to sort, do your sorting. If you go to our channel, you'll find videos on how to, find a video on how to sort your emails, how to extract emails, and so on. In our next video, please don't miss our next video, where I'm going to be showing you how to filter emails and how to actually validate all your emails. Validating actually take 3 different processes, which has to do with the sorting of emails, filtering such emails, and lastly validating or verifying those emails. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share this video with friends. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.